The crackdown against black money is finally yielding results. Continuous raids by authorities have not only brought in quantities of black money, but many hoarders have also been nabbed. 4 crores unearthed in Delhi. In a hotel in Delhi's Karol Bagh, the IT department and Delhi Police Crime Branch in a joint raid unearthed 3 crores 25 lakhs worth of old currency allegedly owned by Mumbai-based Hawala operator. 5 people have been arrested.
तक्षिण होटल है करोल बाग में, जहाँ पे कुछ दिनों से सस्पिशियस एक्टिविटी चल रही है और फिर ये जॉइंट ऑपरेशन किया गया। सर्च वारंट वगैरह प्रॉपर लीगल प्रोसीजर्स को सबको फॉलो करते हुए किया गया। दिल्ली से ये पैसा लेके जाते हैं पुराने करेंसी का और वहाँ जाके उसको नई करेंसी या वाइट में तब्दील करने की प्रक्रिया करते हैं। और पैकिंग इस तरह से करते थे कि जो रुपये हैं उनके साथ कुछ तार से सिलाई करते थे और टेलीफोन के जो इक्विपमेंट होते हैं उनको फिर बाद में साथ रख देते थे। तो जब चेकड इन बैगेज में कोई पूछता था एक्सरे में कि ये कुछ गड़बड़ नजर आ रहा है, अगर इनका बैगेज वहां रोका जाए, तो ये उसमें इस तरह की प्ली लेते थे कि ये टेलीफोन के एसेसरीज या इक्विपमेंट है।
On Tuesday night, the Customs Department recovered half a kg of gold and 35 lakhs in old currency from 4 Afghan citizens at IGI airport. CISF sources say that the Customs Department has unearthed no less than 70 crores in cash and 170 kgs of gold from airports countrywide. A raid by the IT department at realtor Sukhbir Shaukin's residence unearthed 64 lakhs in cash and jewellery worth over 1 crore 10 lakhs. In Maharashtra, the crime branch seized 1 crore rupees in new currency of 2,000 rupees each. Police say the carriers were part of a group exchanging old notes for new at a commission. The CBI in Kolkata have booked a cashier of Bank of Baroda in the city's Behala area for wrongfully exchanging 50 lakhs in old currency to new. In Chandigarh, raids led to the seizure of 2 crores 18 lakhs. 18 lakhs was in new currency. In Goa, police seized 24 lakhs in new currency and arrested 3 people. Police informed the IT department after the arrest on Tuesday night. Investigations are on. Raids at various places by the police and IT department in Haryana led to the seizure of nearly 1.5 crores. Of the seized amount, 64 lakhs 80,000 is in new currency and was from Faridabad. Seizures of black money continue unabated in Karnataka. On Wednesday, the IT department seized 2 crores 25 lakhs in new notes. According to the IT department, more than 80 kgs in gold and jewellery, 20 crores in new currency and 1,000 crores in undisclosed income have been unearthed in Bangalore and Goa since the 9th of November. According to the Money Laundering Act, those involved in Hawala transactions could be jailed for a term of 3 to 7 years. They could have to pay a hefty penalty. Meanwhile, those found trading in black money could be jailed for a maximum of 7 years and be forced to pay a hefty fine. They could also face other punishment under the IT Act. With inputs from Neeraj Singh, DD News.